Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a project on Behance. To begin, ensure you are logged into your Behance account. Look for the prominent Create a Project button, often located at the top right of your screen or within your profile dashboard. Clicking this will open a new project editor. You can then select to start with a blank canvas, giving you full creative freedom, or choose from various pre-designed templates to kickstart your design process quickly and efficiently. Now, let's focus on bringing your project to life with compelling content. Upload your best high-resolution images, videos, and even animated GIF directly into the editor. Utilize the intuitive drag-and-drop interface to arrange your visual assets in a logical and engaging sequence. Remember to incorporate text blocks to articulate your design choices, explain your creative process, and provide context for your audience. A well-structured narrative enhances the viewer's understanding and appreciation of your work. Optimizing your project details is crucial for reaching a wider audience. Carefully select the most appropriate creative fields and categories that accurately represent your work. This helps Behance's algorithm suggest your project to interested viewers. Add up to 10 relevant tags or keywords to further improve searchability. Finally, create a compelling project cover image, ideally with dimensions of 808 by 632 pixels, as this is the first impression potential viewers will have. With your project complete and details optimized, it's time to share your creation with the world. Before publishing, take a moment to thoroughly review all elements, ensuring everything is perfect. Once satisfied, simply click the Publish Project button to make your work live on Behance. Don't stop there. Actively promote your new project across your social media channels and professional networks to maximize its reach and attract valuable feedback and opportunities. Congratulations on your new Behance project.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.